All right, here we are back again with another episode of Epic Fishing. Maybe, I don't know. So we got about an hour and a half to play with. There's a creek that's just across the street from my daughter's cheer stuff. So while she's doing cheer stuff, I'm gonna see if I can't catch something out of this little creek. I don't know what's in there. It's pretty shallow, but we'll see. We'll see what's going on. All right, about to walk down here, see what's in here. Now the good news is I don't hear any cicadas, which there's no shortage of at my house. We got the big red worms, and we got a line that I can't grab. There we go. Maybe something, maybe nothing. Who knows? Bobber's floating. Something's jumping out. Something's jumping out right here. Pretty peaceful right here, actually. Should have brought some bug spray. I never bring bug spray. I feel like this would be pretty refreshing if I put my feet in the water. Kinda. How cold is it? Let's see. She cool. She'll cool you down. She'll cool you down. Let's walk up here a bit. Maybe there is no fish in here. Is this really a body of water that... Hey, look at that. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I think it gets a little deeper over there. I'm gonna try. Walk down there a bit. What the fuck is going on? Maybe there's no fish in here. Maybe that's why I've never seen anybody in here fishing. Because there ain't no fish in here. Ooh, something just darted across. Probably a crawdaddy. I feel like I'd be able to see the fish if there were fish here. See if I can't get this thing. Get her right there. Oh, something just jumped at it. Oh, got him. Got him. Come on, baby. What is this? What is this? Hey. Hey. Could this be a little bluegill? Yeah, look at this little guy. Bluegill, red ear, I don't know. They do exist. Well, maybe that was the only fish in here. Alright, here we go. Rewormed. Let's see if we can get something else. So this creek actually, a few months ago, Kentucky was underwater, dude, bad. This thing goes all the way. There's a road over there. Kind of we crossed it to get here, but covered the road. So the bank's probably about 6 feet high. This water was raging. There's a big old grassy patch over there too. I might try to get a little closer. Well, there's no one by my truck. Guess I wasn't as far away from my truck as I thought I was. Let's get her back downstream. Kinda is not the smartest idea, considering my phone's in my pocket, the keys are in my pocket. If I slip, your boy's going down. I don't think I'll slip, but you never know. Alright, let's get this hook back in the water. Fucking bitch ass motherfucker. Fucking, this is gonna be a video full of fucking blooper reels. Jesus. What the fuck is going on? Just, motherfucker. This fucking pole. Well, I tell you what. Still. Motherfucker. Oh shit, something sunk that thing. Jesus. Come here, boy. Oh. I think they call these creek chubs. Creek chubs. Or chub minnows. Good catfish bait. Not very durable though, and he hooked himself pretty good. Someone's calling me. Second fish, second species. All right, come on, buddy. I'm trying to be careful. There he goes. Creek chub. He choked that thing. All right, let's get back at it. Maybe there's more of those in here. Oh, yep. There's his brother. These creek chubs, man, they're feisty. Settle down, boy. I like catching these things because, man, I ain't caught one of these in 20 years. Oh, creek chub. She gone. I don't care, I'll catch those all day. They must be hanging around right there. Okay, well, just two of them were. Just two of them were. Just, motherfucker. This fucking pole. Well, I tell you what. I mean to put her in the grass. Oh, something's got it. Nope. Something's playing with it. She's a big morsel, so they're trying. Ooh. Oh, I think that was me. Create my own bobber action. All right, let's try again. Right, chow. Get out of the grass, boy. I want to go further back, but I'm not trying to sit in some wet shorts just yet. Not for these guys. Come on, baby. think there's movement right to the left of the grassy knoll. Let's try to get there without getting hung up. That'll get me fucked up. There we go. That's not what I wanted it. Try it again. Still hear that muffler though, man. It bothers me. I know he's not by my truck, but still. Motherfucker. First time fishing. Seems it. Right there is where we wanted it. If I was a fish, I'd be all up in that grass right there. Trying to get a little bit more left of the grass by that fallen tree right there without getting hung up. I can do it. Let's see. Nope, that's not exactly. I wasn't recording. I don't know what happened. I think maybe my GoPro got too hot. I'll have to go check the footage, but I caught 2 more fish over there. Big fat chub. I think I did get that one on camera. And a little mini bluegill, but my camera was off when I came back to the bank, so that's gonna do it for this one. Fun wading in the cool water on a hot summer day. I mean, it's not even, I mean, it's shady right here, so it's already kind of cool. But yeah, so now we know there's some chubs in here, some little bluegills, and some crawdaddies for sure. So this could be a good prime bait fishing spot. I got tons of bait, but I would like to come back and get some creek chubs just to add to the menu for catfishing. So let's get this thing posted, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know why you haven't. It's totally free, and it takes like 2 seconds. So go ahead and do that. Support your boy, and we'll be back out here doing it again. All right, see ya.